everyone, welcome to Homeless and welcome to today's video where we will be sharing some amazing kitchen decorating and organization ideas to help you to create a functional and stylish kitchen. Whether you have a small kitchen or a large one, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Number 1. Open shelving. Open shelving is a great way to add extra storage space to your kitchen and also create a unique and stylish look. Consider using floating shelves or bracket mounted shelves to showcase your favorite dishes, glassware, and cookbooks. Number 2. Built in wine rack. A built in wine rack can be a great addition to any kitchen. It not only provides extra storage space but it also serves as a stylish decor piece. Consider incorporating a wine rack into your cabinetry or as standalone unit in your kitchen. Number 3. Hanging pots and pans. Hanging pots and pans can help free up valuable cabinet space and also create a visually appealing display. Consider hanging your pots and pans from a pot rack or installing a pegboard on the wall for a functional and stylish solution. Number 4. Multi-purpose island. A multi-purpose island can be a great addition to your kitchen, providing extra counter space, storage, and seating. Consider incorporating an island with a built-in sink, dishwasher, or cooktop for added functionality. Number 5. Chalkboard wall. A chalkboard wall can be a great way to add a touch of personality to your kitchen. Use it to write grocery lists, keep track of recipe, or to simply doodle. Consider incorporating a chalkboard wall into your kitchen design for a fun and functional feature. Number 6. Cabinet organizer. Cabinet organizer can help keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Consider using pull-out drawers, lazy sun, and corner cabinet organizers to maximize your storage space and make finding what you need quick and easy. Number 7. Wall-mounted utensils rack. A wall-mounted utensils rack can be a great way to keep your cooking tools within reach while freeing up valuable counter space. Consider incorporating a wall-mounted utensils rack can into your kitchen design for a functional and stylish solution. And those are our top kitchen decorating and organization ideas. We hope you find these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key to a functional and stylish kitchen is finding the right balance between form and function. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decorating and organization ideas.